Hello, my chubbies. Welcome to English written class. Okay, in this class today we will do dictation of page 33. Okay, so hurry up, go and get your English notebook, your sharpened pencil and eraser. Let's do dictation together. Okay, bache?
Yes, my dear kids, let's start our English written work. Today we will do dictation sentences of page 33. Okay, first of all, we will write down the date. Date is 16.8.2021. Okay, and here we will write the day, Monday, Monday, Monday. Okay, and on the very first line, write down the heading DICT dot dictation sentences 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 dictation sentences. Okay, and write down PG dot page 33 पेज 33 का हम sentences करने लगे हैं. Okay, and this is your margin line. Okay beta, here ma'am has written number 1. Okay, so here we will write the first dictation sentence. Okay beta, so get ready. So the first sentence is Ted has a pet, comma Ben. Okay, so let's start. And Ted is the name of a boy, and this is the first letter. It must be capital TED, Ted. और नेम होता है वो भी हम नेम का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो भी हम कैपिटल्स में लिखते हैं, है ना. टेड हैज़, नेक्स्ट इज हैज़, HAAS has. Ted has a pet. लिख लिया, then write down pet. Small p, small e, small t. Pet, comma, and Ben. Ben is also a name, so B must be capital. Capital B, small e, and small n. Okay, and here we will put full stop. Okay, हमारा sentence complete हो गया है. So let's read. हमने क्या लिखा है? Ted has a pet, comma, Ben, and full stop. Okay, then second sentence is Ben is a hen. So here we will write number 2 and Ben, capital B, small e, small n. This is the first letter and ये capital में होगा and Ben is also a name. So ये भी capital में ही हमें लिखना है. Okay, Ben is a hen. So next is IS, put dot on small I, is a small a hen. Small h, small e, small n, HEN, hen. And हमारा सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो गया. एंड हेयर वी विल पुट फुल स्टॉप. ओके, आपको भी ऐसे ही डार्क फुल स्टॉप्स लगाने हैं. ओके, समटाइम्स आप क्या करते हो, फुल स्टॉप छोटू सा फुल स्टॉप लगाते हो तो वो तो दिखाई नहीं देता मैम को. ओके, सो लेट्स रीड. हमने क्या लिखा है? बेन इज अ hen. Ben एक hen है. ओके, नेक्स्ट थर्ड सेंटेंस इज Ben is a red hen. So here we will write number 3. Okay, Ben is a red hen. So B must be capital. BEN, Ben. Yes, is a red hen. Ben का कलर क्या है? Red. IS is a red. RED, red. Very good. Then next is hen. HEN, hen. And here we will put full stop. Okay, let's read third sentence. Ben is a red hen. And full stop, very good. And fourth sentence is it is near the bed. And here we will write number 4 and I must be capital. Okay, capital I डालना है आपको. I T, cut on the small t, I T it. The next is I S is, it is, put dot on small I, it is near the bed. Near होता है पास, yes. Small n, small e, small a, then small r, near the bed. Small t, small h, small e, the bed. We will write bed. Small b, small e, small d. Okay, and here we will put full stop. हमारा sentence complete हो गया. So इसको एक बार फिर से read करते हैं. I T it, I S is, near N E A R, near, T H E the bed, B E D bed. It is near the bed. Okay, then the next fifth sentence is, here we will write under 4 5. Number 5 is it lays eggs in the net. So I must be capital, I T it, then lays, small l, small a, then small y, then small s. Lays, L A Y S, lays. लेज होता है देना, मतलब एग्स देती है ना, हैन में एग्स देती है, अंडे देती है. इट लेज एग्स. स्मॉल ई, स्मॉल जी, अगेन स्मॉल जी एंड स्मॉल एस, ई डबल जी एस, एग्स. इट लेज एग्स इन द नेट. So here we will write I and in, put dot on small I, and THE the, in the, THE the net. Small n, small e, small t, net, NET, net. And here put full stop. Here we will put full stop. Yes. It lays eggs in the net. Okay, then next is number 6 is, here under 5 we will write number 6. Number 6 is it has a peg near its leg. Okay, again we will write capital I T it, I T it. Okay, it has a peg. What will be the spellings of has? H A S, small h, small a, small s, has. It has a peg, P E G, peg, P E G, peg, near its leg. Near, N E A R, N E A R, near. Then its, small I, small t, small s, and cut on the small t, and here put full stop. Be careful. Yes beta, full stop नहीं, यहाँ पे आपको put dot लगाना है. Okay, I T S its, I T S its leg. Okay, L E G, L E G, leg. Okay, तो हमारा sentence complete हो गया. Here we will put full stop. This is the full stop, है ना? Okay, yes. I T it has a peg near its leg. Okay, L E G, leg. Okay, the next sentence is number 7. After Number 6 we will write here. Number 7, this is the last sentence. They play in the keg and get wet. Okay, how we will write they? Capital T here. T must be capital. T-H-E-Y. T-H-E-Y. They play. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. They play. P-L-A-Y. Play. In the keg. I-N in here. Put dot on small I. I-N in. I-N in. Then next is T-H-E the. T-H-E the. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. K-E-G. Keg. And get wet. Okay, they play in the keg. Okay, and हम next line में लिखेंगे and get wet. Okay. Yes, small a n d. Yes, we have written and. A and D and. Yes बेटा, हमने and का A small रखना है. ओके क्योंकि ये इसी सेंटेंस का जो 7 सेंटेंस का पार्ट है, तो इसको आपने कैपिटल नहीं करना. ओके, बी केयरफुल. एंड गेट वेट. एंड के बाद क्या वो लिखेंगे? वो विल राइट गेट. G-E-T गेट. G-E-T गेट. एंड वेट. W-E-T wet. W-E-T wet. Now our sentence is completed. हमारा sentence complete हो गया है. They play in the keg and get wet. Full stop. Okay. Yes. Today we have written 7 dictation sentences. कितने लिखे हैं? 7 dictation sentences, and you have to note it down in your English notebook. Okay, let's read these sentences one more time. Okay, repeat these sentences with me. Yes, number 1 is Ted has a pet Ben. Okay, Ted has a pet Ben. Number 2 is Ben is a hen. Ben is a hen. Third is Ben is a red hen. Ben is a red hen. Okay. Fourth is it is near the bed. It is near the bed. Yes. Fifth is it lays eggs in the net. Okay, in the net. It lays eggs in the net. It lays eggs in the net. Okay. Number 6th is it has a peg near its leg. इसकी लेग के पास क्या है? पेग. It has a peg near its leg. Okay. And number 7 is they play in the keg and get wet. Okay. So my dear kids, you have to learn the spellings. Okay, and you have to do the written practice. Okay, take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Okay beta, bye.